All right, so we made it to the plant. I found my buddy Alex here. Anything in particular the group should know before we get started?
Well, we have a 9-stage production process, which means that at any given moment there are 9 vans being worked on simultaneously. We have groups of people that are focused on each stage. The second half of the production process, once it's actually out of the production floor, is all QC. So they go over every square inch of the van, making sure that it's ready for delivery to the customer. They'll have like a 500-point checklist that they go down, making sure every single thing on that list is good to go care of before the customer comes for pickup.
Awesome. So how long on average does it take you from start to finish?
Just about a month.
Oh, wow,
yeah,
that's quick.
Just about a month. So right now we're producing 20 vans a month and 240 vans a year. And we're looking to scale up, but that takes time and careful attention. We don't want to do it too fast and be reckless and irresponsible. We want to make sure that we're producing the best van that we can bring to the market.
So let's go get started. So what we'll do is let's walk through and look at some of the cool features now that it's all come together.
Let's do it.
All
right, so here we are inside of a finished Noovo Plus, definitely our most popular model by far. The biggest reason for that is the inclusion of this rear lounge that we have back here. This is your dining room, it's your living room, it's your movie lounge, it's your mobile office. If you'd like to, you can convert it into another sleeping area. This van is capable of sleeping up to 4 people. You can have 2 here up on the queen size lift bed, and then you can convert this rear lounge into a sleeping area by lowering the electric lift table and then taking the backrest cushions and just fitting them nice and snug over that table to give you that nice solid sleeping platform.
Yeah, that's so unique. And then I would say the other difference is the height in this, right?
That's correct. We have a 7-foot interior ceiling height. So I'm 5'11" for reference, and you can see how much headspace I have in here. I've got plenty of room. For our taller customers, this is a perfect option. There are a lot of people who come to us saying that we've never seen a van that I'll be able to fit in just because of my height. And we'd say, well, we have the perfect option for you.
Yeah.
Let's step inside the Plus and, let me know what you think. And then they do. And it's the only option available for them. And I believe up until recently, I believe we were the only manufacturer in North America who were building on this super high roof ram ProMaster.
Yeah. Well, even if you don't necessarily need the height to have it, it just gives you a feeling of it's bigger than it really is.
Absolutely, yeah. It's a great psychological trick, but it makes the van feel a lot bigger and more spacious than you might expect from a van this size. So to quickly go over what we have here in the kitchen, you have a Contour induction cooktop on your kitchen counter, just flush with the Corian countertop. You have your standard water faucet here. This one here is a filtered drinking faucet. So this goes through a hospital grade water filter before it comes out. So that's providing your drinking water. Then we have a nice deep sink that we have for you to use for cooking, cleaning, anything that you need water for. With this nice little cover that can double as a cutting board if you need it. Then we have this great Vitrafigo refrigerator. This is 5 cubic feet. One of the most common things I hear from people with the feedback that they give us about the Plus is they love the large refrigerator that we have in here. 5 cubic feet, separate freezer compartment for you to keep some long-term storage or just freeze some leftovers if you'd like. Then a nice big refrigerator with several shelves that are completely adjustable so you can arrange those however you feel is best. Right next to the refrigerator, we have a nice tall wardrobe closet if you have any clothes that you'd like to keep hanging.
And kind of your, I guess, little desk area on the other side there?
Absolutely. Right here you have a flip down table, very similar to the one that's on the outside of the kitchen counter. This is just a kind of a station that's whatever you need it to be. If one of you wakes up before the other in the morning and you want a place where you can just kind of pop open your computer, get some editing done, drink some morning coffee without disturbing the person that's still sleeping, you can come up here and just get all that done. We have a couple outlets for you to use, USB outlets, and nice LED light strip up above. Just everything you need. It can also double as a remote workstation if you'd like.
Nice.
All right, so moving towards the back, we have 2 pull-out pantry doors, one on top, one on bottom. And then here you have your control panel for the electric lift table in the rear lounge. And then up above the kitchen sink, are the controls for your lift bed. All right, so here we are with the wet bath that we have in the Plus. Now, one of the nicest things about this is, just like the rest of the van, you have a very tall shower stall. So that's great, especially in a small space like this. You want as much vertical clearance as you can get. Right now, you're seeing the standard cassette toilet that comes with our standard build-out. We do have the option to go with a dry flush toilet, which is, we tell people, is kind of like a diaper genie on steroids. That'll just give you it'll just pop out a nice sealed bag that you can pitch into the trash can or a dumpster next time you see one. It's your living room, it's your dining room, it's your movie lounge, it's your morning coffee spot. There's nothing better in my mind than just sitting here, doors open, windows open, drinking a coffee in the morning. We have fit 6 full-grown adults back here pretty comfortably. Ideally, 4 people, since we can sleep 4 people in here, that's when it's at its, I would say peak comfortable capacity. But you can fit up to 6 people in here.
Now, one of the things you guys did was kind of cool is that even though the bed's above us, or a bed, this turns into a bed.
Absolutely.
You used all the space that you have up here with more cabinets, either from interior or you have them on the outside as well.
Yeah, there are also 2 cabinets accessible from the rear here as well.
Yeah, and then this table's on a telescopic platform, so you press that button back there and this will go flat with, I guess, the cushion height.
That's correct, yeah.
And so this becomes the bed, or we'll show them how the top comes down and they can pick one or the other, right?
Or both if they want to.
Yeah. Or the cool thing is, if there's only 2 of you, you don't have to make the bed if you use it on top. Just push the button and push it back up, right?
Honestly, one of the biggest selling points. If you hate making your bed in the morning, this is the van for you.
Exactly. Just push a button and it goes away.
Yeah, right. So one of the biggest selling points of the Plus, as we were previously mentioning, is this lift bed system. It disappears when you don't need it during the day. All you got to do is press a button when you're ready to go to bed, and it's as simple as that. All right, so the bed is lowered. We also include, with your delivery, this extendable ladder that you can just place in these brackets here to make it super easy to get in and out of the bed. This setup is ideal for 2 people, but if you have, a couple friends joining you, if you're traveling around with some family and you need a couple extra sleeping spots, it's very simple to convert this into a bunk bed setup. So I'll show you how to do that real quick. We're going to raise the bed about halfway, then we're going to lower the center table to where it's flush with those bench seats on the side. We'll flip out the leaves, and then I'm going to take the backrest cushions and just fit them right there in the middle. And there you have it. Bunk bed setup.
I like
and
it.
This extendable ladder is still long enough to reach these brackets to make it getting up and down out of the bed nice and easy for you.
Oh,
this lift bed has a weight capacity of 500 pounds, so plenty enough for a couple adults to sit up in it. You also have 2 reading lights, one on either side. They're nice stalk lights with the on-off button at the very end. They also have USB-C outlets in the base for you to charge your devices while you're sleeping.
And all your units come with lithium power packs.
That's correct. Our standard battery in every one of our units is a 660 amp hour Lithionics lithium-ion battery. If you would like to double that battery capacity to 1,320 amp hours, you can. We have an extra battery option that you can upgrade to as well.
Now what I'd like to do is invite Maggie here to tell us a little bit about, if you have questions, how you can interact with the company, the product, and learn more about it. So Maggie, tell us a little bit about people who would like to know more, put their hands on them, experience it kind of like we did a little bit. What are their options to do that?
Yeah, definitely. I think one of the most amazing things about Noovo is really the quality of the build. So one of the things that we preach the most as a company is any opportunity you have to physically see a van, you should definitely take it. We recognize that only having our location in Las Vegas, our boutique in LA, and then our dealership partner in Gainesville, Florida, Sunshine State RV, that kind of limits you depending on where you are in the country, which is why we created our Demo and Drive program. So if you go on the NoovoLife.com website, you'll see in the right-hand corner a button that says Demo and Drive in bright yellow. Once you open that up, you're going to be brought to this beautiful map of the United States, which actually shows dots of all of our owner ambassador partners. So these are real Noovo owners who have a variety of our models, whether it's the Plus, the Light, and eventually the Next once they get delivered in May, where you can go in and directly request a meeting to see their vans in person, do a virtual call and ask them questions about their experience, or you can actually click on the physical locations for Noovo and do a giant tour of the manufacturing line, see the vans with the sales team similar to what you did today.
Yeah.
And of course, also our events schedule. We try to go all around the country to many events throughout the year. That's another great opportunity for you to get to engage with Noovo. And really, if you see any Noovo out on the road, 99% of our owner community is going to be over the moon excited to get to show you the product. You ask kindly, you tell them Maggie sent you, and I'm sure they'd let you take a look.
And I would highly recommend, guys, that if you are in a B-class mode of shopping, just like what I think we've witnessed today, going through the manufacturing facility and then looking at the product, they are different. It's easy to go into a van and look at the layout and go, I think this works for me. Another thing is what I call superficial quality. And that is you look at something and you go, I think this works until like 6 months down the road, and you go, why is this falling apart? And I don't think you would see that just based on what we learned on how you guys build your products, which is very cool. So I think you have to holistically look at what you're looking at, the layout, does it work for you? But most importantly, the build of the product. Is this going to be around when we want to still camp in it a couple years from now?
Something that's really important to know about Noovo as well is the customer service and standing behind our product the way that we do. Not only do we have pretty extensive warranties that speak for themselves, but our team is so dedicated to the customer experience, which is why we've been so blessed to have such loyal customers. I think you guys, even getting to meet some of our customers in the lobby while you were hanging out here,
pretty cool.
You experienced it firsthand. But our after sales team does an incredible job connecting van owners with the appropriate maintenance staff. We'll send our V repair staff to national parks to make sure that you can stay on the road. You could be in the middle of nowhere and we'll make sure that someone comes out and gets your van fixed the same day.
Wow.
That's not always guaranteed, but we do our best to make sure that you are spending as much time on the road enjoying yourself and not necessarily dealing with all of those problems.
And I know on your website, for each of the models you have your price range on there, so you guys can go check that out as well.
If you have the opportunity to come to Las Vegas, see the warehouse, see how these vans are built, it's an incredible experience, and it's something that I think everyone should do once if you're seriously considering buying a van. Even if it's not a Noovo, seeing it is worth the time.
Thanks for hanging in there with us. Please do subscribe to the channel so you can see more things like this happening in the future. Thank you for sharing some of the key insights that people should know about in interacting with Noovo by itself. So with that, guys, thanks for hanging in there, and I hope all your future RV trips are optimized.